what you can expect is that they're going to ask you these kinds of questions. They're really looking to understand, do you know how to prioritize and focus? Do you have the ability to ship products into production environments? Do you have the ability to put out fires and to shield the team? And can you motivate and grow the team over time? So here's the truth. There is no way for you to practice every single question that an engineering manager is going to ask you, because they're going to cover a really wide variety of soft skill sets. Again, they're not likely to be asking you about architecting databases or trying to come up with different systems or trying to optimize algorithms. They really want to understand how you're going to be working alongside them on the team. And so, given the breadth of questions that you're likely going to need to tackle, it's far better to come up with narratives. What we want to do is we want to think through a couple of really key experiences where we've succeeded in working alongside engineers and engineering managers, and then make sure that we highlight those when we're talking through with an engineering manager. And if you're a first-time product manager, right, you don't have these experiences, that's totally okay. All of these skill sets also apply to other kinds of people that you work with. Say, for example, that you're president of a student club. You're recently graduating from college and you're looking to jump into an associate product manager role. Well, you can still talk about your ability to prioritize and focus, to put out fires, to shield and grow the team in that context of being the president of that student organization. So know that you need to come up with key narratives that would demonstrate your ability to prioritize, ship, put out fires, shield teams, and motivate teams, regardless of whether you were previously a product manager or not. So, as I mentioned, it's pretty much impossible to practice every single kind of question that an engineering manager is going to ask you. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you some of the questions that I've been asked by engineering managers and some of the questions that my engineering manager counterparts ask their product management candidates. You'll very quickly see that there are too many kinds of questions that you might need to tackle, and why it's so important that we come up with key narratives that then we can talk through when we're working through these questions with engineering managers.